Right, let me get a shirt real quick. 1 second. Get that. The t-shirt. Gym shirt. All right. Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Today it's Thursday, the 24th of August. It's 7:23 p.m. A little late. Well, yeah, here's what it is. And yesterday I stayed out of the market and I did. I'm curious, was it the right decision? Yes, it was, because we pushed down, got the inducement, and we pushed down. So it was a good decision. I said yesterday that I wanted to see price come deeper and below this area here, and then I want to look for longs. Oh, everything is taken now. It's gonna go so irrelevant. This is nice, so we can see that there was that inducement. All right, there we go. We got previous daily highs still being attacked over there, but I think so. We took these previous daily highs. Yeah, so I want to see price come below that low on the high tariff. I will show you in a second. And really just get the move from there. And I think that we might turn around now. We'll still follow this dark green structure, but yeah. All right, let's zoom out to see what the daily does. Yeah, that's looking clean. So why is it so laggy? Let's close this. Let's close this. Close this. Close this. Let's close this as well. All right, let's dive into it. So starting on the daily time frame, we knew that we have this bullish range, bullish structure, and we had internal range liquidity. And we had these equals here, and I said, like, all right, this equal or this low and this low, they'll be taken out, right? And now looking at it, what can we see? And on Monday, Monday was a strange candle kind of. Then Tuesday momentum stepped in. And then Wednesday, yesterday, you can see that how we broke below, wick below, and then closed bullish. And that wick or that candle closure is indicating to us that, all right, we broke below, we left a huge wick to the downside, and then we closed bullish. So that's indicating that we're going to the upside or have high potential to move to the upside. Now, if there's news today, we might back up the move to now break bullish. So we got break summit. That's the I knew it. I looked this up before. Yeah, Brazil, Russia, India, China. Okay, that's interesting. But yeah, so that might indicate that we turn around. Same here, although this is still ended up as a bullish candle, huge wick to the downside and barely any bullish closure or bullish momentum left at the end of the day. So we might get a turnaround from there. Then going lower, can we see already marked out is this bearish structure we have here. And currently the dark green structure is still bearish. We tapped into the what's it called? Why is it not? Okay, we tapped into the premium of this bearish range, but now that we took internal range liquidity, we might get a realignment of the dark green structure with with the dark blue structure on the high time frame. In addition to that, we can see that we have equals over here. And we got more here as well. So we can just pull that across and mark that as a trend line. And ideally, you want to see price come in here and then look for shorts taking the previous weekly highs and all that. When was that summit? So it is orange, but I think it's red because these three countries are like big players, right? So yeah, got the equals up there. We got the bearish structure here. I think just to be sure, this didn't reach into discount. No, or into premium. So with the idea of taking all the internal range liquidity, I want to look at longs as well. Give longs the possibility as well, and that would be from this area down here. I think this one is quite valid, looking good, especially when you go to the 15. Yeah, so you got a 15-minute demand zone down here. Not much liquidity to it, not the best break, I know, but just because we took so much, such a high high time frame liquidity point, seeing price move bullish from here, whether we get the realignment or not. If we get the realignment, we have a then we could look get longs from this area as well. And guess we got a nice kind of support and resistance over here as well. So yeah. But for now, I would say today, looking at price, what do we have? We have equal Asia highs for now. We got Asia low still being intact as well. Previous daily highs are taken as well. We are inside the premium of this range. So I would say if we get above Asia high and get into this 50-minute area here, we might get a move already from here. Not the best supply zone, but just because we had previous daily highs and Asia high up there. So I'm looking for potential shorts from here and from here and longs from here. Those are my three areas. Of course, outside of that is outside of the range. So that's setting above setting above all highs, buying below all lows. So that's like common sense. But inside the range, these are my areas. Then lining that up with DXY. That would mean buys from here, which is quite nice, if you ask me. So we already at this area, we can see that how liquidity is building up here. You can see how we took these lows, then got the bullish move. And to the upside, we broke. Can extend this one. I don't think that one is any valid. It's not valid anymore, but it came above liquidity over here. See how we induce there. Got that slowdown one, slowdown two, bearish break, then another inducement, then taking the highs. Now we might take the internal range liquidity. It's not the cleanest on the high time frame, high on the low time. It's looking on the lower time frame. It's looking pretty good. We have some nice fair value gaps in there over here. So Yeah, I wait for DXY to get below here, and that would mean for EU to get above where it is right now. So, but we need DXY realignment. So, yeah, gotta wait for that. Then GU, see it's building up some liquidity here. And GU never came back actually, or it just took previous daily lows. So we got that realignment as well. The previous weekly lows, the previous daily lows. We have this one here. This gonna go. Previous daily highs up there. High zone. So wait for. So I want to look for shorts over here as well. There's not much interrange liquidity yet on the 1 hour. On the 15, a little bit. We can. I want to take this entire zone, but we can take the refined one on the 15. Sits above that liquidity. Supply zone. And these are my areas I look short from. Although there's not much interrange liquidity on GU, and this push to the upside is quite strong as well. So for EU and GU, I'm looking for shorts, but it will depend on how DXY reacts from this demand zone. If we get a nice indication for longs from the demand zone, then I will look for the shorts on EU and GU. I don't know why it's so leggy. It's pissing me off. Well, it's not. No, it's not pissing me off, but it's quite annoying. Uh, yeah, I would say stick with that for now. Straight for previous weekly lows. The lows. Um, so yeah, following structure. Look to short from here. I don't know where this is like that. Or short from above previous daily highs. With target previous daily lows. It's not a strong break, so it might just be an inducement, and we might move to the upside. Ideally, short from this 1 hour supply zone. Why? Because then we have previous daily highs as our internal range of liquidity. Now, you could like mark out this as your Asia high. I will do it, but you know that I won't short after Asia high until we take all the liquidity there. So yeah. And then we have Asia lows, and that's looking like a nice target for trades as well. So EU GU shorts, once they line up with DXY, before that, just wait, be patient, and don't take any trades. That's my play. That's how I'm gonna do it, and that's what I'm looking for. Hope it plays out. Hope we get a trade today. I have to leave at 9:15, which is 8:15 UK time. So if we get trade before that, it would be great. If not, then it is what it is. All right, peace out. Catch you guys in the market. Peace.